Want to learn how to make a professional and polished looking YouTube intro video like this one? Then stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you indeed like it. So as I said, today I'm going to show you how to create a clean, polished and professional looking YouTube intro video. This video is going to form part of my YouTube 101 series. So I'm doing updated videos because the past videos that I have on my channel are very much out of date. They're like 2-3 years old, as you guys told me. So yeah, you asked me to do updated ones, so that's what I'm doing now. So yeah, this particular one that I'm showing you, used it to create my intro video back in 2017, I think it was. It was called Legend, and now it is called Animated Text Maker. When I downloaded it last week, there was the version that you can see on the top row, and then this week, this is the one that I think you guys will see when you go in to download it, the one on the bottom line, and that's what you're looking for. But I just thought I'd keep them both just in case some people get the top one and some people get the bottom one, but they're exactly the same app, and it's literally exactly the same as the app that I used when I created it. It's just the name's changed. Okay, so yeah, this is completely free to use, which is fantastic. There is one little annoying thing about it, and that is that it does have a tendency to just close on you or to just go back a step, but for the kind of end result, I personally think it's worth it, unless you obviously want to go down the Fiverr.com or paying someone to do it. So my new YouTube intro, which I'll leave linked below, I did actually get made on Fiverr.com, and it was literally like £5. Such a bargain. But obviously, if you're not ready to invest in your video just yet, then this is definitely the best option for you. Okay, enough rambling. So you're going to start off by opening the app. Hit the play button to start a new project, and the text comes pre-populated, so just tap on the screen and type in whatever you want to use. So I'm going to put fashion and turbans, because this is some of the things that I do on my channel, and then tick. Now you do not have to use a background. If you don't, you're just going to have a solid color in the background, or you can personalize it and take a photo of something using the camera button, or you can use a photo that you already have in your camera roll by pressing the two square buttons. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to choose this image here. And there we go. So you press play, then it'll start showing you the different styles that you can use. Now, if you notice, there's the 3 lines on the screen. Make sure that you are set to landscape and 1080p so that it fits on YouTube and it is high resolution enough. Okay, and you just click OK. So these are all the different styles that you can use. There's loads of them. The great news is that they are all free. You don't have to pay for any of them, and you can also, along the very bottom row, you can change the filter so it's like different colors. Just be aware that some of the filters kind of lower the resolution of your photo. Doesn't really make a massive difference, to be honest, most of the time, but just so you know. So yeah, there's loads of different filters and styles to use. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and use Blink, and I will keep it with this color, I think. Or how about this one? Yeah, I'll go for that one. So then you simply press on the arrow button, which is to the right of the share button along the top, and save as a video. And then that will just download and save in your camera roll. So you can totally just use the one screen, the one video, and just drop that into your so that's downloaded now. So you can literally just use the one screen, drop it into your editor, whatever you use. I use iMovie, and have it on all at the start of all your videos. Or you can take it one step further and have something even more professional, which looks similar to my current intro video that I got made for me, which you can see via the link below. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to make a few and then merge them together, and I'll show you exactly how I do all that. So next I'm going to go back and do the next screen. So you just press the play button again, and again type in what it is you want. So I'm going to put lifestyle, take that, select my background. I'm just going to use this here, and you can see it's a bit bigger than the space, so you can just pull it to adjust it. Okay, just literally drag it around the screen, tick, and then again choose your style by pressing the play button. So for this one I am going to use mask, and which one to go for? I think I like this style. Okay, so I'll go for this one, and then you again just download that, save video, and then that'll just save to your phone again. Okay, and then I'll create the third and final one that I'm going to do for this intro. So just go back again, hit the play button. So this one I'm going to write beauty, tick, and then I'm going to get my background image, adjust that how I want. I'll do that, tick, and then press the play button, then choose your style. So for this one I'm going to use Stompo. Okay, and I think I'll go for this pink one here. Yep, I like that. And then simply again, as you've done with the rest, save as video. Okay, so once this saves, then you need to just send it to your, oh, that is sounding when it does that, but it has saved. But this is what I was talking about. I'm actually lucky that it only did it once throughout this whole process. I'm shocked. But yeah, it has saved. So I'm just going to send the 3 videos to my iMovie, and then show you how I'm going to edit it together, and you'll see the final cut there. Okay guys, so I have dropped the 3 videos in that I just created over in the animated text maker app, and I'm just going to edit it and kind of merge it together and save it as the final cut. So this is how it is looking currently. Oh, so I actually want that to stop right about there. Okay, so split, get rid of that, and then I want this to stop there, so split, get rid of that, and then this one is okay. So I'm just going to now add the audio. So obviously you can add any audio that you want. I'm just going to use one from the iMovie library. I'll use this. Oh, anybody else's MacBook slows down when it needs charging. Okay, so just adjust it so it fits against the clip. Just going to lower the sound right down to 10, and then fade in and fade out. And here is the final video.